Sir, may I come in?
Yeah, please come.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Akhil Kumawat.
Yes, sir.
So, tell us about yourself.
Sir, I am Akhil Kumawat. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I've done my schooling from DAV Public School, Jaipur, and did my graduation in electrical engineering from MNIT, Jaipur. And after that, I am preparing for engineering service examination.
So, other than Jaipur, where have you gone?
Sir, in my life, I have gone to Visakhapatnam once to attend the SSB. And then I went to Bhopal and once at Bangalore. And apart from these, with family, I have visited Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir.
Very nice.
These
Okay.
places.
So, are you... Jaipur is very advanced, very nice, no?
Yes, sir. It's a very beautiful
Very
place.
good place. Okay. So, why do you want to join this engineering service?
Sir, I've always been, sir, actually, I have few people who are in government services in my family. So I got that inspiration from them, that I got to know at an early stage about the difference between the government sector and the private sector.
What is the
Which-
difference?
Sir, the basic difference is the working culture and the lifestyle which the government sector provides to an individual,
But they
which
say
is very.
government में कोई काम ही नहीं होता है.
No, sir.
You want easy life.
No, sir. I want that apart from the work, I also want to explore other things as well, which I
Like
feel that this sector provides.
Government, the chutti is not given. You are 24/7 servant. So,
So,
people in private sector are earning crores.
no, sir. I am not after the money.
You're not after
No, sir.
money.
I want a balanced life. I want to enjoy my life.
Okay. But money is coming out of the government servant's house nowadays, no? Lot of gunny bags, lot of notes. What do you say?
Sir,
You're not after that money.
no, sir. Definitely not.
Very good. Okay. So tell us, how do you see India in 2030 and 2047?
Sir, as an electrical engineer, I would start with especially the power sector, with the power sector.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
since in the last 10 to 15 years, we have been moving towards the renewable resources.
So what is the target? And,
Yes, sir. So, and we have also few targets for, like, for example, we want to achieve the net zero, which initially was 2070, but in the last few months, our honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, said that we want to achieve it earlier, like for net zero by 2050. So that is a really good thing that we want to move forward with.
What else?
Sir, apart from this, I think that since we have 4 to 5 major cities in India, which are technically known as an IT sector, like for example Gurgaon, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad. So I feel that they will start moving towards the other cities as well. Like Jaipur is not an IT sector, so maybe it will become an IT sector by 2030 or 2047, and maybe they will cover one or two cities more in the northeast area as well.
Why do you think this lopsided development is happening?
Sorry, sir.
This imbalance, lopsided means imbalance development is happening.
So it depends on various reasons. Like for example, the geographical location as well, availability of people is also human resource is also a big point. And
Okay.
So, Mr. Akhil, you were just now talking about this net zero emission.
yes, sir.
First, tell me which are the power generation system having the least emissions, both including both conventional and unconventional.
Sir, talking about the conventional sources, hydropower is the one which is having the least.
What next?
Sir, conventional. Sir, in conventional.
What next?
So then we have power from the coal, but it is
Coal is not the left.
it is not.
So it was the wrong answer. Coal is not the left.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me about unconventional.
Sir, the solar, wind.
But solar again, semiconductor device disposal and
Yes,
many
sir.
issues are there.
Yes, sir, but we will, I think.
Which is the best? First you tell me which is the best you feel. First best, then next best.
Sir, I think wind.
You think wind?
Yes, sir, but because in the initial state, in the initial stages, it is a bit expensive, but I don't think that there is any drawback regarding to the pollution level.
But any component of pollution by wind? Yes, you are right. But tell me some components of against nature by wind.
Sir, against nature, that basically they are the wind blades which are harmful for the
Birds.
birds.
Okay, next.
And
A lot of emission during the manufacture of the turbines.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You talked about solar and Rajasthan is doing wonderful perhaps in
Yes, sir.
solar. Okay. Tell me what is the efficiency of the solar?
So the efficiency is very low. It is around 15%.
How much?
15%. 10 to 15%.
What has been done or being done to improve the efficiency? And then why so low?
Sir, at the manufacturing scale, things can be done like the material which we are using for the manufacturing of solar panels. On that we need to work. And
What has been done? Many things have been done. Tell at least 2-3 things. We have reached nearly 28%, 27%. How?
so sorry, sir, I'm not.
Okay, no problem. This CSP, have you heard about CSP? Again,
Yes, sir.
related to
So
solar
corporate
power.
social. No, sir. I've heard CSP as
No,
corporate
again,
solar
related to
responsibility.
solar power, no.
No, sir.
Concentrated,
No,
C
sir.
concentrated, S solar, P power.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm not. Heard.
Even in the childhood, when we were studying, we were doing CSP by burning a paper. You have not done it?
No, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. This, tell me 2 advantage of Corona.
So the biggest advantage which I take from my life is that I got the time to study.
Corona? No, sorry.
No, not this Corona.
I will Corona.
No, sir. So
discharge.
sorry.
Corona
Power.
discharge.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Or no any advantage you see?
No, sir. There are a few advantages, but I'm thinking about it.
You will get the answer if you think that why Corona is produced. If why Corona is produced, it will give the advantage. Only then there will be advantage.
Sir, it prevents corrosion.
Why?
Because
It will burn the corrosion. Never.
no, sir. Sir, it will make an outer layer, a protective layer around
No, that is not
the
advantage.
conductor.
No. It is nowhere mentioned in the books or literature. It is your own product.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. This bundle conductors.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how the number of conductors in a bundle improve the system reliability. Suppose number of conductors per number of bundles, number of conductors per bundle, how it affects the system.
Sir,
Bundle
first,
conductors may have 2, 3, 4, up to what number? What my question?
yes, sir. Sir, I have read that maximum which I have read is 54.
No, never. You can't think of. On trial purpose, it has been done for 80. Only for trial, not for actual in world. So it has to be less than 80. But what is the, tell me, what is the, how it affects the stability of the system? Because bundle conductor, from day you go in the final year, you study about bundle conductor. Why? No problem. Tell me what you have done as a project.
So my B.Tech project was a probabilistic contingency analysis
And
based.
what? I could not.
Sir, probabilistic contingency analysis based reliability evaluation of bulk power system.
How?
Of bulk power system.
bulk power system.
Basically, we took a IEEE 30 bus system in which we performed N-1 contingency.
Okay, okay, no. What is the numerical release?
So
Again, slightly deviating from your project. Slightly. What is the numerical release? Have you heard about it?
yes, sir. The relays which have come in the last few years and have become very much popular. They are basically the microprocessor based relays, which are very fast as compared to the conventional analog relays.
Okay, so how it works? Still there are electromagnetic relays provided in the system,
Yes,
and
sir.
there is a numerical relay also. How do we compare it?
Sir, in the numerical relays, basically we do the programming, and on the basis of programming, we
Okay, BLDC you must have heard. Brushless
yes, sir,
DC
brushless
motors.
DC motors.
Okay, what are the features different than series motor?
So the basic difference is that the brush is not present in the
But what
BLDC
is motor
motors.
characteristic? Okay, last question. Last question, you tell me, suppose a motor, a alternator working on higher frequency is connected to a grid. A alternator having higher frequency
Yes, sir.
is connected to the grid. What will happen? Higher means you know.
Yes, sir.
Take it as a 53 Hertz. What will happen?
So it will make the system unstable. It will start working as a
Our whole country will collapse. Our system will blow. No. Some features will happen. What that will happen? That I'm asking you. A simple alternator cannot make the whole country
yes, sir.
dark. What will happen?
So, but it will draw a huge reactive
Okay, no,
power.
read it, eh? Last. That's all.
Akhil, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Are you working anywhere right now?
Yes, sir. I am working currently in Engineers India Limited.
Engineers India Limited. Very good. You just tell me the effect name which is just reversed to Seebeck effect.
See that.
Have you heard about Peltier effect?
Yes, sir.
Can we say like that?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me Hilbert transform. Do you know?
Sorry, sir.
You don't know.
No,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Any practical example to state the theory of reciprocity theorem? I don't want to know that theory of reciprocity theorem. I want to know any practical example can relate the reciprocity theorem. Any you can take any practical example.
Sir, basically in the electrical components
Very good.
we can use.
How can you say? Obviously, it's the part of the syllabus of electrical engineering.
Yes,
So
sir.
somewhere it is going to happen in electrical circuit.
Yes, sir.
So it should not be the answer. Practical example of reciprocity theorem. How you can observe, yes, reciprocity theorem is going to happen here. Shall we say transmission line? What is reciprocity theorem? Now tell me.
So reciprocity theorem is in which we can replace the source from the load, and
Okay.
still we can get the same.
What same?
So suppose we want to calculate the current.
What same? What we will get the same?
So same quantity, like if we want to
Same
calculate.
quantity we get.
So if we want to calculate the current in a
Current.
in a particular branch,
That theorem never rigid on a current or on a voltage. It says something remains same. What that something? Any ratio?
yes, sir.
Which ratio? I think you forget. No problem. Response by excitation something.
Yes, sir. A response
Yes.
excitation.
Yeah,
Sorry.
you forget. What must be the objective of an electrical engineer? The efficient operation or the economical design?
Sir, I think both are important, but on different places we have to
Very
take
good.
different things.
Tell me the different places and suggest me what will be your priority at that particular stage.
So the example which I can tell you is that in the last, since I'm working, so I got to know about a few things which in which EIL is working, like in the project. So one day we were talking about the substations like GIS substation and air insulated substation. So basically the air insulated substations are,
Still, I'm not getting your view on economic operation or efficient operation. I'm not getting your view after whatever you have introduced. I'm not getting your
sir, it basically depends on the area which we have. Like if we have
example. Give me the example.
Where which one is preferred?
Where? Like that, this situation, sir, I will move for this. In that situation, I will move for this. In this situation, I will consider both. Like that, please give me clearly
okay, sir.
your opinion with respect to the situation. You are not able to recall?
No, sir.
No problem. Tell me the subject you like the most.
So that will be machines and power systems.
Power systems. In case of power systems, we use open delta transformer
Yes, sir.
operation.
Yes,
Open delta. Is it the balanced situation or unbalanced situation then?
No, sir. It is the unbalanced situation.
It will be unbalanced situation then. Even then you prefer this operation?
Yes, sir. Mostly we use.
You
in,
must be confident on your statement that it is unbalanced situation. Open delta operation is unbalanced. Even then you prefer. Tell me. Okay, this is all from my side, Akhil.
Okay. Akhil, which department are you posted in EIL?
Sir, I'm in construction department.
Construction department. Okay. Any specific project with which you are associated, or you are at the head office planning?
No, sir. Sir, currently I'm working as a management trainee. So we have not been allotted yet.
Oh, you're
the
basically
project.
undergoing the
So,
kind of
under
rotational
training. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. In the context of electrical engineering, what does the term BEE refer to?
So
BEE. Huh.
Sorry, sir. I've not heard about it.
Okay. Anything to do with energy efficiency? Since we were talking about efficiency and effectiveness, so does it have anything to do with energy efficiency? See, on refrigerators, air conditioners, and various other appliances, we are finding stars. What does these star indicate? And
Yes,
who
sir,
awards these stars?
It is about the efficiency of that equipment. Like for example, refrigerators have a star rating. So the rating and the star it is basically given by an organization which is Energy Efficiency Services Limited.
Is it not Bureau of Energy Efficiency?
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problems. The place where you're living is Vaishali Nagar, right?
Yes, sir.
Where is this place called Vaishali? The city called Vaishali located? There is a city
Yes,
called
sir.
Vaishali?
Sir, it is in Bihar.
Okay. Have you heard of a book or a term called Vaishali ki Nagar Vadhu?
No, sir.
You're not. Okay. No, never mind. Any tournament where Indian cricket team is playing?
Sir, right now, Indian women cricket team is supposed to play in Asia Cup.
Okay. Who's the captain of the Indian women cricket team?
Sir, Harmanpreet Kaur is the current captain.
Okay. And some women cricketer has recently taken retirement from active
Yes,
playing.
sir. Yes, sir.
Who's she?
Sir, Jhulan Goswami.
And what was she? She was a
Sir,
batsman or a bowler?
she was a bowler. She was a bowler.
Okay.
Yes.
And what is Harmanpreet? She is a batsman.
Yes, sir. She's like an all-rounder, but basically she's a batter.
Okay. Any major records to her credit?
Sir, she had scored a century against Australia in 2017 World Cup, which took place in England. And
okay. What does the term this Hong Kong Sixers refer to?
Sir, Hong Kong Sixers is basically a cricket tournament which was which was played with very less boundaries, with very less boundary
Very
dimension.
small boundary.
Yes, a very
Okay,
small boundary
okay.
dimension,
Mhm.
and it is not a conventional cricket tournament. And basically, the boundaries are smaller, and every over has eight balls,
Mhm.
and mostly the retired players from the country used to play it. But,
Mhm.
I don't think that in the last 5 to 10 years it took
Oh, it
place.
has not been
Yes,
held.
sir.
Okay, right. Is there any connect of Hansraj with DAV?
Yes, sir.
You studied in DAV school, right?
Yes, sir. I studied in.
So, what is the connect of Hansraj with DAV? Because it appears to be something to do with your school.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir,
DAV का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
sir, it is Dayanand Anglo Vedic.
कौन थे दयानंद जिनके नाम पे स्कूल से?
Sir, Maharishi Dayanand was a social reformer,
Mhm.
and who has done for many things for their society.
There was a slogan. There was a very important slogan that he gave. Any idea what was the slogan?
Sir, I knew it when I was in school, but right now I'm not aware.
Okay, fine. ठीक है sir.
Okay, Akhil. I think we'll close your interview. Okay, we'll call you for the feedback.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So Akhil, your personality, your general answer or communication is good, very good. The only point is that we felt that you are short on technical part. This could be perhaps that you have already a job in hand, so one
Yes,
approach
sir.
is कि okay नहीं होगा तो बात नहीं। तो थोड़ा आप एक तो टेक्निकल में ब्रश अप कर लीजिए क्योंकि
Sir, I will do it.
इवन EIL के बारे में यदि आपने वी केम टू नो मिडवे ऑफ द इंटरव्यू व्हेन ही आस्क्ड यू एंड अबाउट योरसेल्फ यू डिड नॉट मेंशन ओके
That's because NOC नहीं है.
हाँ
But applicable ही नहीं है आपके लिए.
सो वो ज़रूरी नहीं है बट एनीवे सो आप यदि शुरू में कहते तो मे बी देन दे वुड हैव गॉन इनटू प्रोजेक्ट एंड अदर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स
So, like in the introduction part, I should have mentioned that
No,
I'm.
I don't
I have
know. I don't
recently
know. I
joined
say,
EIL.
I say कि when I mean the question से question ना आता है.
Yes, sir.
Or question pattern will
Reply
change.
say.
Bold
Then
note
once
or
look you are in the EIL, then perhaps they will focus on different thing. But the question is, you should be ready for everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that you are slightly missing. Okay.
Yes.
And so DAF वगैरह में थोड़ा brush up कर लीजिए and I hope you will do well. You have good personality. So currently we are
DAF को prepare करते
encouragingly giving you 118. Okay. But you can easily get 125 and 130 range, provided you back up with that.
In addition, what we have discussed, subject core subject or other things, you must have some knowledge of EIL, CL in power sector, then PMC concept
Yes, sir.
done by EIL, then PPP model project going on in the country. These all will be practical questions related to EIL. It has got many awards, so these things you prepare for the EIL. And then again, because you will be in constructions company, so sort of like the creepage distance, ground clearance for 400 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV line, Indian Electricity Act, etc. You prepare those things also.
Okay,
Then energy saving schemes of the government. Then different scenario of power consumptions. Which sector, how much like that, okay? And your position in international scenario as a EIL engineer, like that. You prepare on those lines also.
Okay, sir.
अखिल, अगर आपका EIL पता ना चले तो आपका जो इम्प्रेशन है बहुत ख़राब जा रहा है. बट अगर EIL पता चल जाता है बोर्ड को तो ये हो सकता है कि वी फील इट्स नॉट योर डे टू डे एंड वी विल फील ओके समथिंग हैपेंड. सो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. अगर आप जवाब नहीं भी दे पा रहे हैं, जैसे आपने एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया होगा, आपसे जवाब नहीं निकल रहे थे,
यस सर,
ये आपको पता चल गया होगा ऑटोमेटिकली, तो जब आपका EIL पता चल रहा है तो एक सिंपैथी में कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो आज
देखो EIL टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू क्रैक
रेफरेंस हो
चुका है, ये
रेफरेंस बन रहा है,
दैट्स व्हाई।
सो दैट इज द रीजन 10 नंबर का अंतर वहां पे जा रहा है आपका। ये हमने आपको एक तरह से, बहुत रेयर कैंडिडेट को ऐसा होता है कि ऐसा कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए जिससे मेरे 10 नंबर बच जाए, तो EIL का बता देना आपके वो 10 नंबर को बचा रहा है, क्योंकि आपका टेक्निकल बहुत समय से रिवाइज नहीं हुआ है और काफी बुरा हो चुका है अभी। आपको सीबैक इफेक्ट नहीं पता है, आपको हिल्बर्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं पता है, रेसिप्रोसिटी थ्योरम नहीं पता है, एफिशिएंट और इकोनॉमिक ऑपरेशन नहीं पता है, इसके आगे तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाया मैं।
yes sir.
तो EIL आपके लिए अब रामबाण
EIL can be a saving grace.
Sir, I will try to mention
थोड़ा
if
मतलब
once if I get a
reference
chance.
context
But that will not compensate your lack of knowledge.
Okay sir.
Okay, but if you have knowledge and EIL, then this
some absence of
then
answers
130
will be ignored.
will be ignored.
It
And
will be like,
certain area of questions will be known.
Will be
These will be
known.
these may be the questions. वो पूछेगा तो it will give the impression.
आप
Yes sir.
EIL को बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर
हाँ,
कर
सर,
लो,
उसका
उससे
मैं
रिलेटेड
prepare
सब्जेक्ट को कर लो, क्योंकि उससे ये दिख रहा है कि यू आर बिजी इन योर जॉब, प्रेजेंट जॉब, दैट इज द रीजन आपसे थोड़ा रिवीजन नहीं हो पाया।
But job का जो नेचर
वो करना
होगा
पड़ेगा।
या होने वाला है
Substation,
responsibility,
जैसा बोला।
हाँ वो सब क्लियर थोड़ा थोड़ा हो
तो ये मौका आपको बहुत अच्छा फायदा हो गया कि
Okay.
आपको पता चल गया कि कहाँ से आप बच जाओगे।
And EIL means again substations, electrical technology, many things will be
Yes.
correlated.
But
Okay,
I
sir.
would also add that लाइफ में शॉर्टकट्स नहीं होते,
हाँ।
शॉर्ट सर्किट हो सकता है।
But उसका तो टाइम नहीं है अभी आपके पास.
अब टाइम नहीं है, तो चलो
Okay,
मैंने
so you work.
You work out.
Okay.
EIL अच्छा करके जाओ आप, मे बी दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट। उस दिन आपकी परफॉर्मेंस, आपको
लास्ट
confidence
इंटरव्यू में
देगी।
कितना है?
हाँ,
Sir, 86. 86.
It must have been
हाँ,
disaster.
So that is
86
that.
UPSC interview.
Because same
Where you did bad? क्या क्वेश्चन में आप जवाब नहीं दिया होगा? कहाँ पे बैठ
Sir, actually my interview went almost like what I did in the mock interview in MADEEASY. So I was expecting around 100, 110, but when I got the,
100, 110 भी तो कम है ना।
sir, but that would have been enough for selection.
Sometime 110 we give to encourage you that
Encourage,
you
yeah.
maintain
We
your
don't give you
tempo there. It's not like that you are at 110,
Yes,
but
sir.
we give you confidence कि चलो अब तो 4 दिन बाद आपका इंटरव्यू है, so we have to support you.
we can't discourage you.
Yes.
So that is
Otherwise यहाँ 80 दे दिए तो वहाँ तो फिर आपको 60 भी नहीं मिल पाएगा, फिर बड़ा
No,
tension
sir, I know what I did, what bad I did in the interview. Like I was not making the eye contact properly with the
नहीं,
members.
आज तो बहुत अच्छा
Yes, sir.
है।
So that on that I have worked. I have
आज
worked.
कंटेंट को छोड़कर, आंसर
Yes,
के
sir.
कंटेंट को छोड़कर हर बात अच्छी है आपने, एंट्री एग्जिट सिटिंग,
So do well. अभी 10 दिन में आप तैयार करो.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all the best.
और EIL कर लो बहुत अच्छे से।
Yes, sir.
It will be a रामबाण to you. All the
Okay.
very best from our side.
Okay,
यार
sir.
पूरा प्रिपेयर कर लेना, काफी चीजें
हाँ,
जा
जा
हो
सकती
सकता है एक भी ना पूछे, बट आप अपनी तरफ से पूरा तैयार करके जाओ। महात्मा हंसराज वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ DAV ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस।
Yes, sir.
ओके,
okay, all the best.
Sir, I have one question that do I need to intimate EIL that I'm going to?
तुमने EIL फॉर्म डैफ सबमिट करने के बाद
Sir,
ज्वाइन,
yes, sir.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
कुछ भी करने
So, sir, in UPSC, will they be asking that I'm working? So, what shall I say?
I joined EIL after having submitted that.
So, they won't be asking
They won't
anything.
ask it.
But they may ask you tell about yourself.
And
When
when
you introduce.
in introduction itself you are introducing means intentionally you have not hidden that information.
Yes, sir.
Introduction में
Sir, before that part, when the document verification goes, they also ask that whether are you working or not.
हाँ,
So,
Yes, I'm working.
बताओ।
I joined EIL after submission.
after DAF submission.
बोल देना, वो कोई इंसिस्ट नहीं करेगा उसको।
Okay, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
So, I don't need to tell anyone about.
IOCL का इंटरव्यू कब है?
Sir, हो गया?
कैसा हुआ?
अच्छा हुआ. Interview अच्छा था.
मेरे को फीडबैक थोड़ा
Okay, all the best.
ठीक है, ओके।
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.